Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Prerna Khurana, and today I am going to present you SEO audit on Vilva Store, which is a skincare and a hair care brand. So, in order to do a SEO audit, we have to focus on various aspects of SEO, which is on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. So, we will look at these following aspects in this given PDF. So let's start with this. So I want to tell another thing. The tool that we use is Screaming Frog to extract all these data about this website. Okay, so let's start. So SEO audit, first thing is website build. So website build is how a website is built. So in order to build a website, we use various languages, which is like HTML, JavaScript, C++, and various other languages. So in order to a website to optimize more correctly, we need HTML, more amount of HTML. It should be greater than 50, then the website will optimize greatly. So this website, as we can look, they have good amount of HTML, but they have more amount of images. So in order to improve their HTML count, they need to optimize on their images. Okay. So next thing is on-page SEO. So on-page SEO, we have a first thing is title tags. So title tags is used for giving web page a title. So it is important to give your web page a title so people can easily search about your web page. Okay. So here is this website. They use this kind of title tags. So you can look at that. So their title tags are good. And another thing that is needed is meta description. So meta description is a relevant summary of your web page. So summarizing your web page in a correct way is very important. So you can optimize your content well, and people can actually see what your web page contain. So you can look over here their meta descriptions as well, what kind of meta description they have used. And the third aspect is content analysis. So content analysis is like SEO score. So SEO score needs to be good. If your SEO score is low, it means that your content is not optimized well. So SEO content score, as you can see, they have very low SEO content score, so they need to improve on their title tags and meta descriptions. So what they can do is creating more attention grabbing titles and writing more accurately meta description. As I have already told you, titles and meta descriptions are really important, so people can easily search about your content and your content can easily rank on web page. Another thing is keyword frequency. So keyword frequency is like 1 to 2 keywords per 100 words. Okay. So and density is like about 2.5% to 3%. So as we can see in this image, like they have a decent density, like 3.75%, 2.65%, and here is a low frequency as well. So their keyword frequency is good, but there is always a room for improvement. Okay. So another thing is URL structure. So URL structure, they have good URL structure and bad. I have given examples of both this structure. So we can consider a URL structure good, which contains your subdomain, your hosting, and the product that you are describing about. Like here we can see, here we are seeing the first protocol, HTTPS, and then their domain, and then the product they have, like body polishing combo, natural under eye cream, or pigmentation cream. And bad URL structure is like having so many alphanumerical stuff. Okay. Then next thing is alt image text. So alt image text is basically a description of an image. Okay, so here I have searched about their image on their website. So this is the image, and here it is given alt image of that image, melt in milk sunscreen. That's how they describe this image. Okay. Then we, after completing on page, off page and on page SEO, we are moving on to technical SEO. So technical SEO, first thing come page speed. So as we can see, this is their page speed on mobile. So they have a low page speed on mobile. It should be around 90 to 100. Okay, so in order to improve their mobile optimization, they need to optimize their images, reduce their redirects, and improving server response time. So server response time is like if someone is going to their website should load quite fastly. So they need to improve on that. And this is for their desktop. So as you can see, they have good speed on desktop, so no improvement needed. It's above 90. So code to text ratio is like how much HTML is used and how much actual text is used. So HTML is a coding language, as we all know, and to build a website we use HTML, but to make a website more optimized, we need to use text as well to make website more optimized for devices. So they have a very low code to text ratio, just 3.35%. So that means they need to improve on their code to text ratio. So domain authority. So another aspect is domain authority. Domain authority basically is authenticity of your website. So, so they have very low domain rating. So it means like their website is not that authenticated or like optimized. So how they can improve is they can get high quality backlinks, creating excellent content, enhancing user experience, and improving their link building. This will help them make their website more authenticate. SSL certificate, it is like a security certificate which every website is needed. It will encrypt and secure data, so your data will not be breached by anybody. Mobile optimization is how well your website performs on a mobile. So this is how their website looks on a mobile. Okay, now XML sitemap is another aspect. XML sitemap is like a list of web pages, making sure that Google can crawl them. So every website have their XML sitemap in which they put all their links, so Google can crawl all those pages, which makes it easier for Google to crawl and index all these pages. And another thing is custom 404 page. It is an error page. It is basically used for in case a customer search for something or user search for something and they couldn't find anything. So what it does is it redirects you to their home page, so you can navigate another things on their website. Then robot text, it basically means all the encrypted things that a website doesn't want to share with anybody else, just keep it to themselves. So these are the things that they kept private, like the admin, their cart, their orders, checkouts. So what they will do, the Google crawler will not crawl all this information, restricted information. Okay, thank you.